Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
So guys, let's start our trading session. We are gonna open $300 position on the 1 minute time frame. We are gonna make some good money as always. We don't use any indicators today and count only on technical analysis. We are gonna check the overbought and oversold zones, support and resistance zones, local high and lows and so on. It's high time to get started. So let's start analyzing. I think it makes sense to open a long position here. Looks very promising. I think it makes sense to open a long position here. Looks very promising. The touch of the support zone takes place and the price bounced off it here and there. The breakout followed up every time. And I think after this massive correction, the support zone has to play out and we are gonna see the price rebound from the support once again. Let's have a look. And let's open 3 more long positions. Just in case, the local lows has been updated, the candle has gone lower. And look guys, the breakout is happening guys. And basically there is several seconds left before the closing of the first position. And yep, it was closed at loose. And we are gonna wait for the other ones. I think we opened correctly guys, exactly at the resistance level. Oh, support level. The breakout has definitely happened. We are very a little bit unlucky with the first one, caught bad timing, but anyway we couldn't predict that. But still I am happy to see this pump. And our position has been closed in profit. Good job guys, and let's continue analyzing. I guess so guys, I guess we should open a short position here. I'll set the workspace, and first of all I want to point out this important this zone. The price was rejected from this level every time and went down in this zone. The price went sideways and now flat dominates here. But here is the downward dynamics. Correction is playing out, and this is a little pullback, which after the price will continue down. However, if something goes wrong, we are gonna open extra position. So let's have a look. The candle hasn't gone up dramatically so far, and there is less than 10 seconds left before the closing. And another position in profit guys. Position entry was absolutely justified. We got $300 in profits, great job. And let's carry on the trading session and find the next currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. So let's open long position here and open 3 additional one right away. If the candle goes lower, then we open even more. And let's do this, guys. So I'll point out the workspace. So have a look, guys. The touch of the support zone has happened here, and the price has to bounce back. Correction starting gain moments at this level, and we should point out the zone. Look at this wicks and this pullback followed up, and then the price start going down again, after which I'm expecting to see the price to go up following the trend. That's why we open a long, and it was the right decision. Our position are gonna close in profits. Several position has already been closed in profit, and there are several seconds left before the closing of the rest. And all the position are in profit, guys. Well done, and look at this balance. We got $3,000 in the profit. There is no stopping here. Good job, guys. So let's carry on the trading session and find the next currency pair. We continue analyzing, and we are looking for the most profitable payout rate. The price has gone sideways here. Well, we have the upward dynamics, and let's open a long position along the direction of the trend. And let's see, guys. Maybe we could see the update here, but so far so good. I think the breakout is imminent in the end. The resistance zone played out here. So the price touched the resistance, the rebound did happen. And I think that after such correction we are gonna see a similar pullback. And let's open a few more long positions. If the price goes lower, we will open even more longs. The price so let's watch, guys. The price is going lower, and we should be prepared to open more long position. That's how it looks like. And we are gonna wait for the outcome. Basically, the principle of trade entry is absolutely the same. We just updated the position entry levels. To be honest, I'm not happy with this movement so far. I'm expecting to see a good breakout by this time, but it hasn't happened. The price is going lower, and the second position ended up at loose. And here is the breakout, guys. I wish it would have happened early. We are gonna end up with 0 after this trade. Nice. So guys, we ended up with 0, and let's find the next currency pair and consider another position entry. So let's open a short here. I think this is a good one. We are playing out this resistance zone. The touch has happened here, and actually let's be more precise. The price was rejected all the time, and then it's starting going down, and now it's not gonna be an exception. The price has to go down. So you see the pattern, this price movement, the local high seems to be falling, and if something goes wrong, we will open a few extra positions in case the price breaks through the right level, entry level. Well, basically I'm happy with this outcome. The position entry turned out to be a win. As resistance zone played out perfectly and position has closed in profits. So let's continue our trading session. Let's carry on the analyzing and find the next position entry. I think it makes sense to open a long here. Let's wait a little bit and we are gonna open a few more. There we go. The support zone played out here, the price starts going up. We've seen the upward dynamics up to this level. Then it has gone to flat, went sideways here. Maximum lows, high and lows. So basically I think this pullback is happening here and the price is gonna go higher. So we've managed to catch the right timing because the candle bounce back in time and position should end up in profits 100%, guys. There are several seconds left before the closing of the first position, and there we go, to the first position is in the profit, and there we go. We got $14,000 on the balance, and let's find another currency pair in order to consolidate the profit. Let's carry on trading and analyzing. So here I feel like opening a short, and let's do this and see where the price is gonna go. I think we are gonna consolidate the profit on this currency pair, and then we withdraw the money. But now I'm waiting for the possible breakout and don't wanna miss the movement. But yeah, no, I'm more than sure that it's gonna be fine. Look at this downward dynamics. And we are just open with this trend, as simple as that. After this pullback, we open a short with the current trend, and that's it as far as it goes. Let's wait for the outcome. There are several seconds left before the closing. And there we go. We are in the profits. We got more than $4,000 in the profit today. 4.5 to be exact. And let's move on to withdrawal. So USDT, I'm gonna withdraw $4,000. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. So that's it. Yeah, transaction has been processed. I will attach the screen where it's done, and thank you guys for watching. That's what we've managed to reach today. You're welcome to share your thoughts in the comments, put the like buttons and subscribe to the channel. Good luck, guys. Bye bye.